Remove the 4 screws of the covering over the home button module with the screwdriver Y-type. Remove the covering with the tweezer. Solve the flex connector with the help of the plectrum tool and the spudger. Heat the home button module slightly from the front, on the front side of the LCD screen. Solve the sensors carefully one after the other by using the spudger and pulling carefully. Push the home button from behind through the opening within the LCD screen and remove it. Remove 3 screws of the module covering with the screwdriver cross. Remove the covering. Raise the front camera carefully and clap it aside. Solve 2 further screws which are fixing the speaker module. Remove the speaker module. Heat the LCD screen from the front in the area where the front camera is located. Make sure that it is easy to solve the camera module. Solve the camera module carefully with the help of the spudger piece by piece. If needed, heat again. If the camera module is solved completely, remove it. Solve and remove the 6 screws laterally on the backplate. 3 screws on each side. Grab the backplate with the tweezers and lift it up just a little bit. Attention! There is a flex cable fixed on the back of the plate. Do not damage it. Heat the backplate slightly in the lower area to make sure that you can easily solve the flex cable. Then you can pull off the flex cable carefully from the back of the plate. Remove the backplate. Lay down the backplate on the LCD screen and fix the 6 screws laterally. Insert and adjust the camera module. Then fix it piece by piece with the help of the spudger. Connect the sensors. Adjust the speaker module and fix it with 2 screws. Position the front camera over the speaker module. Fix the module covering with 3 screws. Thread the home button from the front side of the LCD screen through the opening and adjust it. Push down the flex cable slightly and connect it with the help of the tweezer. Then push it solid with your finger. Lay down the covering to the home button module and fix it with 4 screws. If you want to learn how to close your device after finishing the repairing, watch our third video, part 3, Closing the device.